do it again, I'm failing. Okay. This detergent.
Ano ba? Lagay mo sa ano?
Time. Now, detergent. I'm oh, the outside. This much.
Lagay mo sa ano?
Oh my god. And wait. Because I'm gonna overactivate it. I don't want to overactivate. Let's turn into something. Look at it. Turning into something is a blue. And guys, I'm using Ariel detergent because there's no time. I watch the movie. Wait, guys, wait. Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! You guys! This is slime!
Anong ginawa mo dyan?
What? It's sticky, but I don't want to overactivate, so I'm gonna stay in this. I'm so pumped. Look at this. This is actual slime. The other one, I think I overactivated. Usually, look at this. Oh my gosh. It's so sticky, but it's definitely a slime consistency. Okay. Look at this. This is so cool. Okay, this is sticking to the table. Put it in the bowl. In my berry bowl. Gosh, it's so sticky. So much slime in the table, but it's okay. I can move it. Look at this, guys. This is slime. I'm so pumped. This is my first slime. I made my first slime ever in my life. Oh my gosh. Look at this. This is blue slime. And the camera is like purple, but it's blue, actually. So sticky. I don't think this is slime because it's so sticky, but it's a slime consistency. I don't know. But it's slime consistency. Look at this. I think I'll add more activator because it's so sticky.
Filled again?
No. Okay, guys, I'm gonna wash my hands really quick. Okay, I'm gonna wash my hands because I'm gonna activate it real quick because it's so sticky. Real quick. Okay guys, I'm back. I'm gonna activate that more because it's sticky, but a little bit because it will ruin my slime. Oh my gosh, I have detergent on the table. Look at this, guys. Okay. It's not as sticky anymore. It's still sticky because it's slime. What slime doesn't stick in your hands?
Akala ko yan.
Though. Look at this.
Buksan mo yung material sana pero pumasok sa gitna at kasama yung mga.
Look. This is so. I'm gonna keep kneading it. Hope is not gonna stick anymore. Okay. Keep kneading it. Please. Oh my god. I did a princess. So smooth. So smooth though. Like silver smell. So soft. And super stretchy. I like this slime. But I don't like sticky slime, but every slime is sticky though. I have a little bit slime left in the bowl, so I'm gonna take it out. So stretchy, look. This drizzle. Okay, it came out a pretty indigo because the like my bowl is dirty purple and the activator the detergent is pink, so yeah. It's dirty. So I'm gonna take it.
Nag-i-sting nga siya. Nag-i-sting nga siya.
Look,
Ano yan na?
I like it.
Tingnan mo, konti lang pa ng detergent halos gagamitin mo kasi kailangan konti lang.
I'm gonna do this one. I like it. Indigo slime. Successful. Why is it so dirty?
Detergent ba yan? O Downy? Downy may detergent? Kung mo dyan punas. Downy ata to o detergent with Downy?
I like it.
Yun ang may Downy. Yun ang ginagamit sa mga pagka sa washing.
Smells good. Where's this smell? This smells like a soap. It's detergent. I want to make more.
Dapat mahaba, ino-off mo yan kasi hindi mo may download yan kung sobrang haba. Ilang minuto na?
Okay.
Pag 10 pataas, hindi natin i-download, no? Pag mataas.
Okay. Bye guys. See you in the next video. I'm gonna make more of these. Okay. Bye.